Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
To fix your mouse sensitivity, access your computer's settings. For Windows, navigate to Settings, greater than Devices, greater than Mouse, greater than Additional mouse options. For Mac, go to System Preferences, greater than Accessibility, greater than Mouse and Trackpad. Adjust the sensitivity slider until you find your preferred setting. For finer control, consider using your mouse's dedicated software, if available, to adjust DPI settings. Remember, optimal sensitivity varies for each user, so take your time to test different settings.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.